Hey, what's going on? It's Jono Armstrong here, and I just wanted to give you a very quick demo of Geminii and everything that's inside of here, and hopefully it's going to blow your mind. So here we go. The members area, the front-end members area looks like this. This is where we have all of the training. So we got the overview video. We have access to the software, which you can access down here. I'll talk to you about this in just a second. And we've also got the training, which is going to show you how to use all of the apps that we've got inside of Geminii, and it's going to show you how to use the apps in real time to create a campaign. We also have some traffic where you can feed this funnel that you'll be creating inside of Geminii. Now, the good news is that you don't need any further apps, or you don't need any further things that you need to buy in order to use Geminii, and that's the whole reason why we created this app, because it's a 3-in-1 software suite that any newbie can start using to take advantage of this hugely, wildly profitable business system, which is called email marketing. And this is going to save you a ton of money in the long term as well, because if you were to buy all of these apps individually, you'd be paying a monthly fee. I mean, for my autoresponder, I'm paying around $300 a month for my autoresponder. For a squeeze page creator, the options are leadpages.net or ClickFunnels. Leadpages.net is $27 a month, which is the cheaper option. ClickFunnels, the lowest price that you'll be paying monthly for ClickFunnels is $97. So the idea behind this is to A, save you a ton of money, and B, give you all of the apps that you need to get started making good money from email marketing. So anyway, this is the members area, the training. To access the software, you can come inside of here and you can access the software right here, and it's a 3-in-1 software app. So we have these 3 different elements. We have, first of all, the squeeze page builder, which is the form builder app. This is going to allow you to create nice looking squeeze pages. Wait. So first of all, we have the form builder app, which is basically going to allow you excuse me, to create squeeze pages. So if we log in here, it's going to look like this, and it comes with a ton of different templates that you can use. All of these templates are completely drag and drop, so you can edit any of the stuff on here. You can add a video in here, and then you can add the place where you'll be collecting email addresses. Now, all of these emails are going to be, once you start using this, all of the emails are going to be added inside of the Geminii app, which you will then be able to go and download. So you can download these to a CSV file, and then you will be able to upload them into the second part of the app, which is the autoresponder. So if I log in here, I can show you, first of all, you can create your lists. So you can go and add contacts to a list that you've already created via a CSV file. So you'd simply go and upload the CSV file that you downloaded from the squeeze page app. Now, once you are inside of the autoresponder feature, you can start creating your own campaigns. So for example, let me just create a quick demo for you right here. This is a completely drag and drop email autoresponder. So you can put a heading in here, you can put a paragraph in here so you can start writing these emails, and you can also add other things like media, right? So you can add an image in here as well if you want to do that. Now, when you're creating your emails, you're going to be able to use this together with an SMTP. Okay, for example, Mailgun right here. Now, Mailgun has a free SMTP that people can use. It's completely free to use. For the first 3 months, is going to cost you nothing, and you can send out 5,000 emails every month for 3 months. And then even after that 3 months has expired, you're only going to be paying 80 cents per 1,000 emails that you send out. So this is a very good SMTP to be using with this. It's very easy to set up, and the delivery is very good because it's Mailgun. Okay, so that is the second feature that we have inside of Geminii. Now the third feature is called the Email Click Boost app, and if we go into here, it's going to allow you to create these different elements like clickable videos that you can put inside of your emails, clickable GIF videos. It also has these feedback and yes and no bars and Q&As and polls and stuff that you can use, timers, buttons that you can put, clickable buttons inside of your emails, map embeds, and also scarcity timers. And you can set those up inside of the Email Click Booster, and then when you go through to create your campaigns inside of the autoresponder, you can add those different elements directly inside of your emails, which looks really, really good. And this is something that I've been using inside of my business for the past 2 years. I've been using clickable videos, I've been using buttons, I've been using scarcity timers, scarcity bars, all inside of my emails, and that's what allows me to make so much money from email marketing, is those different scarcity elements. So you're getting access to all of this stuff inside of the Geminii app. Now, like I said, you're also getting access to all this training too, which is going to show you how to craft these campaigns starting from zero. Even if you're a complete newbie, it's going to show you how to write these emails. It's going to show you how to use these urgency elements inside of your emails, and it's going to show you 2 different traffic sources that you can use with this Geminii system as well. Now, on top of that, we do have some optional upsells as well, which is going to be advanced training and also some done for you options and stuff like that. But this is everything that you're getting on the front end, and it's a real no-brainer. Seriously, it's only going to cost you $27 one time. If you look at all of these other elements that you'd have to buy separately, an autoresponder, I'm paying $300 a month for my autoresponder. I'm paying $27 a month for my squeeze page creator. You're getting all of these things included on the front end for that one-time low price. So that concludes this demo video of the Geminii app. Obviously, I hope that you'll pick this up, and I hope that you'll join us inside. But either way, thank you so much for watching this video. See ya.